How to invite friends in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you want to invite friends to your game, then the first thing to do is to launch open Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the lobby page, go ahead and tap on this little arrow button on the left hand corner and click on Friend Invite button in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to see your invitation code. Simply tap on the copy button to copy the invite code and now click on share the invitation code. You can select the image you want to share along with your code and click on save. Now, after you have copied the invitation code, you can go ahead and paste it in any applications such as WhatsApp, Messenger, Discord, etc. Or you can send the invite link directly via SMS app, email, and so on. Your friend just need to enter it when they start playing Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade and you'll be able to claim rewards once they join in. After they download the game, enter your invite code and reach the required level or tutorial stage, you'll get your rewards automatically such as gems, items, or bonuses depending on the event. So that's how you invite friends like a pro in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.